In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Outlook fast. 2025 Guide. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook Sign In. Look for the official Microsoft site and make sure the address bar shows Microsoft's domain with a secure padlock. This helps you avoid phishing pages and ensures you're signing in safely. On the Outlook page, click Sign In, usually found at the top right. This takes you to Microsoft's secure sign-in screen. If your browser already knows some accounts, you'll see a list. Pick the account you want to use and continue. If the one you need isn't there, choose Use Another Account so you can enter a different email. Now type in your email address. This could be a personal Outlook or Hotmail account or a work or school account that uses Microsoft 365. Double check for typos. Small mistakes here cause most login errors, and then proceed. Next, enter your password. Make sure caps lock isn't on and be careful with any special characters. If your password manager offers to fill it for you, that's a great way to avoid mistakes. When you're ready, click. Next, to continue, you may be asked whether you want to stay signed in. Choosing yes lets Outlook keep you logged in on that browser, which is convenient on your personal computer. If you're on a shared or public device, choose no for better security. You can change this choice later by signing out when you're done. After that, Outlook will finish the sign-in process and take you to your home page. You'll land in your inbox, where you can see your messages and start working right away. If your organization uses extra security like two-step verification, follow the on-screen prompts to approve the sign-in. This is normal and helps protect your account. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you keep seeing the wrong account, use the Use Another Account option to switch. If you're not getting past the sign-in screen, recheck your email and password for typos, and if the page seems stuck, refresh the browser or try a private window. On your own device, letting the browser remember your sign-in can save time. On shared devices, always sign out when finished. That's it. Fast, secure, and you're in. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Microsoft Outlook.